Hello student, welcome to the Naxi Mentor. We are making this video on Sen capability theory or Sen capability approach. This theory was given by Amartya Sen, and he actually challenged four different theories already existing in economics. He was economist and he was Nobel laureate. His challenging points were very interesting as the existing theories were also perfect, and till today they are perfect in their own presence and approach. And what he says, the first theory that we believe in is poverty comes when there is lack of income. Famine is related to crop failure. When there is crop failure, there is less food availability, and because of it, there is famine in an economy. And Amartya Sen says no. And where in an economy democracy and freedom is less, economic development will be low. Also, this is a very good and valid point, but Amartya Sen challenges this as well. Then perfect principle of justice, if are ensured in any society, justice will be ensured. Amartya Sen also challenges this point. Now we will be discussing all these 4 points one by one. Number one, inequality is not just about income inequality, and he says it is related to well-being, welfare, and freedom. For inequality of income, he takes three different examples. Let us discuss these three examples. He says, for example, a person has high income but has low political participation. So he has lack of freedom. He is deprived of freedom. And if there is a person who has high income but he has some medical ailment, he has some health issues, he cannot go out of the home, then that is he has having health deprivation. The third example, we can see that there is a person who is unemployed but the government is giving him an unemployment benefit, but he has freedom deprivations. Just having income from the state is not a solution. He should be given proper capabilities in terms of enhanced better income opportunities, and he will be having enhanced income opportunities if he is provided with better health facilities, better education facilities, better social participation, and other things that will be explained in the next point as well. For poverty as deprivation of capabilities, Sen says poverty is not income inequality or lack of income, it's actually deprivation of capabilities, less capabilities, and deprived of capabilities is the person who is poor. Okay. For income inequality or welfare of economy, Sen says we can take example of USA and Britain. In USA, unemployment is low, but income inequality is high. In Britain, unemployment is high, but income inequality is low. So how can we decide which of these two states is better and have more welfare, is also having better freedom? So it is questionable. We cannot decide it. Okay. Now we will be taking third point and discuss the second point in the last, because the first point and the second point are quite connected. Now Sen says development is not related to democracy and freedom. It is related to some freedom factor, development as freedom. And these freedom factors are healthcare, education, political dissent, economic market, and equality. If we improve these things, then there will be development. And for development, we have to remove unfreedom. How we can remove unfreedom? We should be having less poverty, less tyranny, reducing poor economic opportunities, increasing economic opportunities, reducing social deprivations, and reducing intolerance. So we will be having removed unfreedom from the economy. Coming towards the fourth point, that was perfect principle of justice, then justice ensured, he says no. For justice, We should have some rules and institutions and realization of rules. He still says it's not an easy target that justice will be ensured. It's quite difficult thing to be enhanced and ensured. The second point that we have left at the start was famine is due to crop failure and we have less food availability. He says no, famine is not declining food availability. It is due to mismanagement of government, and he gave different facts from famine of Bengal during 1943, and he discussed this just because of famine of Bengal during 1943. He says mismanagement of government is due to declining wages, because people have low wages, so they will not be working and there will be less food availability. People are unemployed and they have no employment, so there will be less income, and if they are unemployed they will not be working on crops and there will be less food availability in both the cases. Due to rising food prices, people will be unable to afford food and they will not be having food availability. There will be famine for those people, and because food is not properly distributed, there is poor distribution of food. Not everyone is getting that food that is available, may be available in the from the crops, but not available to people for due to unequal distribution. Then there will be famine. Another thing that he has discussed in his books is gender inequality. He says that women are uh, more capable, they have more strength, but they have more mortality rate. It is because they are not given proper care, not provided with proper food facilities during childbirth and during feeding, so their mortality rate is high. So, summing up all these points, he have challenged the initial four theories that are existing in economics, and these theories are also very strong theories, and these theories exist in economy, exist in this world, but he have challenged quite strangely and uniquely, and his points are also perfect. Hope you understand it and like it. Thank you.